Good morning to everyone. It's the 99-cent store haul that I did yesterday. I'm sharing it with you. Now, keep in mind, even though it says 99 cents, a lot of items are no longer that inexpensive. They have went up in price, but if you look around, you can still find some pretty quality, nice pieces reasonable. And that's what I did. Now, I was lucky to find these placemats for 99 cents. I bought a pair of the ones with the owls. I thought they'd be great for my fall tablescapes. Aren't they not pretty? I love the pretty blue one, just sort of pops off the placemat, doesn't it? Then I got some beautiful ones here, and they were 99 cents each. I bought a pair of them too. Bless this home. It thought it looked so pretty, all fall-like, with all the burgundies and browns. And then I bought some floral to go with it. And I'm going to do another post at the end of the day and show you what I did with some of these floral pieces. I was so excited to find so many beautiful pieces at the 99-cent store. Were they not beautiful? Now keep in mind, they were more than 99 cents. And I also did get some fall accessories to start doing. Look at how these look once I opened them up out of their package. All the pine cones and pumpkins, and so pretty with all the other fall accessories that I picked up. I cannot wait to put them in my fall arrangements. They were so pretty. I love the acorns. Weren't they gorgeous? They were probably one of my favorite things that I found because I didn't own any. I have quite a few pumpkins already. And then I saw this beautiful Hello Fall sign. Oh my gosh, I thought it was so beautiful. And I have some pillows that I bought last year, the same colors. So I know it's going to be beautiful on my fall tablescapes with using that sign and my beautiful pillows that I bought last year that still look like they're brand new. I couldn't believe I was so lucky to find so many pretty pieces for fall. And the Hello Fall was probably one of my favorite color-wise, and it really popped. Now, here's another thing that I found, and I really loved it. It was farm fresh pumpkins. Of all the pumpkins, and of course you know Grandma loves sunflowers, and it has that metal finish right above the farm fresh pumpkins, and I bet that's going to look great. And my tablescapes also. Just loved how it came out. Now I did find a few spooky things ready for Halloween. This one was super cute. I just had to buy it. It was such a cute piece. I loved it with the big smiles everywhere on it. And it's put a smile, I would think, on anyone's face to look at this. I enjoy finding things that are fun and interesting to look at. And I thought this would be a fun thing to add to one of my Halloween wreaths and see how it turns out. Oh, and then I found this kitty. The kitty was a little expensive, but this kitty was so well put together, such good quality. I just had to have it. And I thought, I don't know exactly what I'm going to do. Probably will be putting it in vignettes, Halloween vignette. I think it will be great for that. From any angle, it looks beautiful and well done. I hope you agree, and let me know what you think in the comment section. I will probably be going back and picking a few more things up for the holidays. You know, Halloween is a big thing around here. My granddaughter Nicole was born on Halloween, so her whole house is Halloween. So I just thought I would share this beautiful piece with you. Just loved it. Now, I want to show you all the things I picked up on this shopping haul, as you can see. It really got a lot of fall and Halloween items, for I can do a bunch of projects for the next month. I hope you enjoy it. I almost forgot, I should have mentioned it sooner. I did get these wipes for another project, and I'll be putting up in the next week or so. I been dragging my feet going over there because I knew if I went to the 99-cent store, I would spend, well, I spent like $23, I think. So it wasn't that bad because there's at least 3 or 4 posts here. So I shouldn't keep complaining about how much I spent. But you can see all the stuff I picked up. Was it not awesome? Sorry, I had to cough. I couldn't believe all the pretty pieces I picked up for really hardly any money at all. Bye-bye for now. Hugs and kisses to all my awesome followers. Bye-bye for now.